Alan, mo ay chuan ko pa machapat chong pomuyo jamongugan. Ngay Atheist Taylor editor. You gave administrator in WDNST. WDNST stands for Workforce Development and Skills Training Programs. You gave them what we are papali na chay program and so. G3 program mo imak chaykin working me wasaw G3 mas abutan solar G3 program and so much mila pa skills training programs pagi me chocho me an G3 ay maragin tindache G3 pagi utam compound G3 tama sa program kan me mimi pan wasam G3 kambasin maso niya so kita mechanic, fiberglass, carpentry, air condition and refrigerator repair, farming or carving. This program bukas magang we are wasa magang kas kuli iray mostly seri me drop out. Sang sombari sa puno ulit reason limao. We are program ka we are second chance on mapula-pula. Pag yaray bito sa school ay yaray second chance na ray bangka train daw orang kag tiara ray tato mo isa. May kasadeta ko mi pa skills training program. May check out mi pa work experience. Work experience ay kinapali iray choose school kan mendeksam college. Work iray kan may degree. Second tiara ray tatok. Second kilakata office magin anan aban mieta position. Mara request sa kilang iray degree ko matching so on field meraba ko iray train. For example na so on AG office raban anan ni ray so legal secretary asawa kilang ray nagsang trial counseling siyon na matching field ray wala traino miya position after 6 months open position na miya ray background or experience skills and pugo maraban pitalo marala isang program na miya ray so much open miya program na mi pan disabilities for disabled students. Mega second so sa iray special students kan chay ngadan special students mag-connect sa high school. Sa karabagi iray tato ano office de nan artwork ang so much mo ka lamie kay so sir message lo kaya mir mi ace mi ace artwork is on pina message so say disabled students ban Pilewatch program o Pilew message dun sa waski tuwin bagi so check sa high school ka GD sa ka school iray lo ray tesin GD o ma trapas it's equivalent to high school diploma. This program kat so we are papali so much. Program kat so much we pay po sen. So masong saban partner yan siyo. Pwede kita may ray medikyo maugi and mir was an testing site yung maban utan mau o me speed computer ko utan aso ko sa upgrade and ademia problem. Ri wasa na sa kilala wasa na pa yung mau siyo ang pwede mi ni ray IT mi so batagin na lab kan mi na computer lab ang so course. Ama sa panguyata yung watch lab sa papilanan ay rama sa second funding mo watch papil ay so on computer specialist man ang pagkoto yung watch paliyo. We're still looking into it. And so what tama sa yes so partner yes yung important mo i-engage testing site sa wala siya yung sa lab we're in the process of working with them right now and so much. Utan mapukogi G3 National dan biscowa wagi dami Secretary of Koto mo Secretary of Education Koto mir pag may visit kits dan iyo nejay president Rabbi Songosong ran corporate G3 programs ko GED o sa G3 dari iwasan sa bubulaya o sa testing side ng GED GED orang kaskula ba kuyawi ab testing side to marasay US masay may chay law chay pang lang daw sa mo na stationery o mo tang computer ko ba mo tan online ang supports ay ay ba mo chay blue chay bita GED program our national is tuno ba ba may testing side maratiya and so what Moi na ba ren arts ko kana ba so what's nan arts program sa iginche G3 program sang somebody sa kuno le reason kama jo school kan me drop out me pinag sa high school so level my interested ranale ran ka school so mechanic carpentry so chego irai eligible la ba mi ba G3 program our own work experience irai kancheme me right degree or about whatever application na chosa and so in recruitment as again application go either about the application ramana want a birth certificate social security number police clearance especially so maugi sa data Ramasman message record po ratable kawala at program iwasan na sa kilala so ang way na anana na so ran sa high school transcript ba sa planana ko sa kilang mamiyara ray project ng field ko rakap so sa iya ray matching so what sebelum Buyata also chapter. Question di mamiya chapter training pangan chapter sa na January, lernan May. O pila May G3 go. Sa na June ko la, o sa na January lernan May, mostly theory. June and September, Raman out in the field, ends on practical. Even Ramano we are so okay. Question the Jawya Bang January then May theory, June to September practical. Iraikan mautan segala mautan koyakla asal certified rider. Kish berabagi rai masa datangkan na contoh tu. Sana October dan December ya so play out in play applicants. So jadi beri contoh tahun WTNST o karakter mau bangke yung mata na ban miye iran question apa kaya nama referent karakter apa poin kak mata workforce development. So which convenan office kids may paman. We have administrator or coordinator silaman me by. So bata mo na instructor ng TNI iray may one. Boyan hurde kapachaya nagche WTNST yung workforce development or skills training program o sa ginaleta sang sombari sa puno lang sili sa klimaw age requirement man sili sa klimaw pagi i-ride ka mas utang ka work ka man pagkaga sa school or anki kaya rin na magit pagi program ko utang palilaw and so on work 35 age was klelete utan kele ka check the dog. Tamas so sabang ya theory 4 months theory. Teach kulang irai kan utan have the potential to succeed. Sabang pilkiang rai 7 months of training. After 7 months, I got certified. In other words, course में बात ले लामो नारा डिजिटल certified उता ये just skills वाला पारा quality का प्रैला ना नारा पे नहीं हो तो तो गया नारा पे नहीं हो रहा है कोसा ये चले का बच्चा है ये वासा में work development या so what's going मैं so इबल बोला पर meeting है चोन मोनी पोगी मिया नहीं रहा अभी चोन देता हूँ मैं बाप retire ना और मिया में retire है आप अपने काम करेला पोगी से चोन देता हूँ में सवाल नाचिंग के लगा था इराइल kan में चोन स्कूल kan में पांकक कोला ट्रेन रहा है सवाल का तरला मोइन काक में एक आप पर कोला ट्रेन हो गया अंदर इराइल kan में retire पोगी पुइन में retire तो इराइल में बात ट्रेनिंग हमारा पांतान का automatically रवाना है right ये मोमनाच program ना सोच train for employment
kalangan kamu ya so mau o ai so makam sabe man kerti di patwanti o parato talen ka ke diskusi ya program ka apa apa ni woi ko kan ka we kita me u ya rumai ni iran kala pat me sikap kala tak le mai o kalangan kamu mami ewa so te ka tu bene kam te kai re kamu so ewa ke pues sama try program en ka mau woi ko ai mer ni orang ko kalangan ko